Do you have kidney disease? Are you hoping to avoid dialysis, or are you already on dialysis? Would you like to learn a simple 5-minute routine that you can do to support and potentially improve your kidney health? Well, that's exactly what this video is all about. Today, I will show you how to find and activate 3 acupressure points that have been used for centuries to help those with kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease is an increasingly major public health problem. The number of kidney patients on dialysis is growing rapidly as well. Chronic kidney disease typically passes through 5 stages based on how well your kidneys filter blood, called the glomerular filtration rate, or GFR for short. Stage 1, kidney function is normal, but there are signs of kidney damage, such as protein in the urine or structural abnormalities. Stage 2, mild reduction in glomerular filtration rate, GFR. Symptoms may not be present yet. Stage 3, moderate reduction in GFR. Symptoms like fatigue, swelling, and changes in urine output may appear. Stage 4, severe reduction in GFR. Symptoms become more pronounced and the risk of complications increases. Stage 5, end-stage kidney disease. Kidneys can no longer maintain adequate function, leading to the need for dialysis or kidney transplant. Medical treatments can be life-saving and focus on medications to limit damage, and on dialysis when the damage has progressed too far. Unfortunately, long-term use of medications increases the risks of side effects, and dialysis can cause complications. Studies show that adding acupuncture point stimulation can have a beneficial effect on kidney health, potentially reducing the need for medications and even dialysis. A scientific review of the therapeutic effects of acupuncture point stimulation in patients with chronic kidney disease found that acupuncture point stimulation improves GFR, reduces protein in the urine, improves energy, and reduces complications. These improvements are related to the regulation of the nervous system and the activation of bioactive chemicals. In a moment, I will show you how to find and activate 3 acupuncture points traditionally used to promote kidney health. These points are arranged in a specific sequence, so I recommend that you use them in the order presented. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm an expert in Western acupuncture. I've dedicated my life to helping people avoid unnecessary medications and surgery by giving them options that are both safe and effective. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The first point to support kidney health is located near your ankle bone. Put your finger on the tip of your ankle bone right over here. Then move it backwards till you come off the ankle and you're between the ankle bone and the tendon right over here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Shin, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, you can pulse it 25 times like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate this point at your other ankle. The second remarkable point for kidney health is located where your collarbone meets your sternum. To find this point, put your finger on the lower edge of your collarbone, right over here. Here's the collarbone, here's the lower edge. Now move towards the sternum. The sternum is this center bone right here. Move towards the sternum till you're in this little pocket between the sternum and the collarbone right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a tei shin, you can pulse it 25 times, like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate this point on the other side of your chest. The third amazing point to promote kidney health is located near your belly button. To locate this point, start with your belly button, right over here, then find the points that's the width of your thumb twice beside that. 1, 2, right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a tei shin, you can pulse it 25 times, like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate this point on the other side of your belly button. To support and improve kidney health, I recommend that you find and activate these points 3 times a day for 30 days and then use as needed thereafter. The next step to improve kidney health is to improve energy. I put my video, How to Boost Your Energy Instantly, right over here. Check it out.